Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I'm Gamola, a camel from Egypt, and I'm delighted to help you learn Arabic. In our last episode, we began our new series Arabic for Beginners by starting with the alphabet. We put some rules, let's remember them together. Rule 1: Every letter has a sound. Two, each sound varies based on what we refer to as movements. Rule 3: Every letter can appear at the beginning, middle, or end of a word. Rule 4: Arabic is written from right to left. Now it's time to start our new episode.
In Egypt, where the horizon meets the golden sands, lived a cheerful and intelligent camel named Gamola. She was no ordinary camel. She loved teaching Arabic to non-native from all over the world. Her class was a warm and fun place where students learned Arabic in an enjoyable way. One day, Gamola decided to make the Arabic lesson more exciting. She gathered the students in the class and said enthusiastically, "My dear students, today we have a different kind of contest. We will search for words that contain the letter Thaa. But this time the task will be a lot of fun. We will go on a treasure hunt in the class and find the words ourselves." The class was full of different places to search, such as bookshelves, grain sacks, and toy boxes. Gamola gave the students a list of words that contained the letter, like Thimaru Thumin Thelj. The students began to wander around the class, searching among the shelves and boxes. There was Sami, who found refrigerator, Thalaja, 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 among the items and wrote it down quickly. Then he found a picture of a fox, Thalab, Thalab, in one of the books and clapped happily. Fatima was searching in the toy boxes and found toys shaped like a snake. Thorban, Thorban, Thorban. And she laughed when she found a picture of her friend, Thana, Thana. As they searched, Gamola watched them with joy and commented on each new discovery. "Excellent, you found the word wealth, Tharwa." Gamola said with laughter when Mahmoud found a book titled The Treasures of the Desert. She added, "Well done, trust." Thiqa? When time was up, the students gathered around Gamola to show their discovered words. The class was filled with laughter and encouragement as the students shared their findings and experiences from the search. Finally, Gamola announced the winners of the contest, noting that each one had done a great job. She said, "You all found many beautiful words, and each of you was creative in your search. But I will honor the winners who discovered the most words, and they are Fatima is the first, Sami is the second, and the third is Othman." They received their prizes, which were colorful books and toys featuring pictures of Arabic letters. Gamola thanked all the students for their wonderful participation and told them that she would come up with more fun ideas for the next lesson. As the sun set and the golden hues faded on the horizon, the students returned to their studies with even more enthusiasm, looking forward to the upcoming educational adventures with their beloved camel, Gamola.
Now it's time to study in Gamola's book of alphabet.
كتاب جمولة للحروف العربية. حرف الثاء اسمه ثاء وينطق ث. يأتي حرف الثاء في أول الكلمة مثل ثلاجة، ثلاجة، ثلاجة. ثعلب، ثعلب، ثعلب. ثعبان 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 ثروة 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 ثقة 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 يأتي حرف الثاء في منتصف الكلمة مثل بثينة 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 عثمان 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 يأتي حرف الثاء في آخر الكلمة مثل الثالث 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 مثلث 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 يكتب حرف الثاء من اليمين إلى اليسار هكذا. الآن مع التدريبات.